If it sounds too good to be true, it is. And these days, too good to be true is all over your social media feed. You see them everywhere. These confident, charismatic, and supposedly super rich people who say they have cracked the code to getting wealthy. They are called finfluencers. And they have exploded in popularity by tapping into our biggest money fears and our collective FOMO. They dangle this promise of a life without a 9 to 5, a life of passive income and endless vacations. And while sure, some influencers offer decent educational content, a growing and dangerous number of them are just modern-day snake oil salesmen. And they are marketeers, not experts, and they care more about selling you a course than giving you solid financial advice. And this isn't just harmless entertainment. Regulators are constantly warning that people who act on advice from social media often end up losing money. So today we are pulling back the curtain. We are going to expose the playbook they use to lure you in, so you can tell the difference between a real teacher and a total predator. Okay, the first and most glaring red flag is the promise of guaranteed sky-high returns with basically zero risk. This is the oldest trick in the book, and somehow it still works. They will flash screenshots of what looks like massive daily profits from crypto or forex. They will talk about a foolproof strategy that generates insane numbers. 20, 30, even 50% returns in a month. They speak with absolute certainty, as if they have found a cheat code for the global economy. Here is why that's such a dangerous lie. They are preying on our very human desire for a shortcut. We all want to believe there is an easy way out, a secret path to wealth that skips all the hard work and patience. These scammers know this, and they exploit that hope without mercy. But let's be crystal clear here. In the world of legitimate investing, there is no such thing as a guaranteed high return. Every investment has risk. Risk and return are two sides of the same coin. Any real financial professional will spend more time talking to you about managing risk than they will do about chasing fantasy returns. They will discuss long-term market averages, diversification and data, not just hype. They will never ever promise a specific outcome because that's impossible. So the second you hear the word guaranteed next to high returns, you should run away. The next sign you've got a scammer on your hands is the person pushing a single secret formula as the only way to get rich. They pitch their method, whether it's Amazon FBA, dropshipping, or some revolutionary trading bot, as a one-size-fits-all solution to your money problems. They frame it as exclusive, hidden knowledge that they, out of the kindness of their hearts, are willing to share. For a price, of course. This is all designed to create a sense of urgency and massive fear of missing out. If you don't jump on this one specific thing right now, you will be left behind forever. By calling their method a secret, they dismiss all other valid financial strategies and create a cult-like vibe where their way is the only way. But here is the real secret. Their main income source isn't the method itself. It's selling you the course, the mentorship, or the subscription that teaches the method. They make more money from aspiring entrepreneurs than they ever did from their own so-called businesses. The truth is, personal finance is just that, personal. A good financial strategy has to be tailored to you, your age, your income, your goals, and your risk tolerance. There is no magic bullet. Real financial education is built on timeless principles, not fleeting trends. It's about budgeting, saving, managing debt, and investing consistently over the long haul. Trustworthy sources empower you to think for yourself and talk to a licensed professional, not just blindly follow their prepackaged plan. This third sign is crucial: a complete lack of verifiable credentials. They might call themselves a mentor, a guru, or an entrepreneur, but you will notice they rarely use legally protected titles. They build their authority on rented luxury and social proof, flashy cars, mansions, and millions of followers. But a high follower count doesn't mean they have any real financial expertise. Ask yourself, has this person ever said they are a certified financial planner or a chartered financial analyst? Do they hold any professional licenses like a Series 7 or 65, which are legally required to give investment advice? The answer is almost always no. They operate in a regulatory gray area, carefully avoiding language that would get them in trouble, even while their content is clearly influencing people's financial decisions. Here is how you protect yourself. You verify. Don't just take their word for it. A real certified financial planner has to go through extensive training, pass a tough exam, have thousands of hours of experience, and follow strict ethical standards. You can easily check if someone is a legitimate professional by using free tools. For brokers and advisors in the US, you can use FINRA's Broker Check. It is a free database that shows their licenses and any disciplinary actions against them. If the person you're following isn't in that database and is telling you what to invest in, that's a massive red flag. Red flag number 4 is the use of aggressive, high-pressure sales tactics. You know the drill. This price is only good for the next 24 hours, or only 3 spots left in my exclusive mastermind. They bombard you with emails and pop-up ads, all designed to make you anxious and rush you into a decision. This is classic psychological manipulation. These tactics are meant to short-circuit your rational brain. They don't want you to think, do research, or ask tough questions. They want you to make an emotional decision based on the fear of missing out. It's a manufactured emergency. Some of these influencers even tell people to put their $1,000 course on a credit card, promising it will pay for itself, which is widely irresponsible advice. The solution here is simple but powerful. Stop and breathe. Real financial opportunities don't have a countdown timer. A genuine educator wants you to make a thoughtful, informed decision. The stock market will be there tomorrow. Real estate deals will be there next week. Any offer that expires in 5 minutes was never a real opportunity. It was a trap. The final sign of a scam is that their advice is vague, reckless, and they are not transparent at all. They might push a specific high-risk crypto coin as a guaranteed moonshot without any real analysis. Or they will give terrible tips like skip your debt payment to invest with me without explaining the catastrophic damage that does to your credit. Critically, they only talk about the wins. Risk is a 4-letter word. They never say. They don't disclose the probability of loss, their data, or any real reason for their claims. They are also almost never transparent about their own conflicts of interest. Are they getting paid to promote a specific stock? Are they getting a huge kickback for every person who signs up for the trading platform they recommend? That's called a pump and dump scheme. And it's illegal. They aren't guiding you. They are using you. A credible financial expert is all about transparency. They will openly discuss the risks of any investment. They will show you their work, explaining the data and logic behind their recommendations. And most importantly, They will clearly disclose any potential conflict of interest. True professionals are ethically and often legally bound to put your best interests first. They educate you. They don't just sell you. Fits-all secret formula, lacking any real verifiable credentials, using high-pressure sales tactics, and giving vague advice with zero transparency. Look, the point here isn't to make you cynical about everyone online. The point is to make you skeptical. It's to arm you with the critical thinking you need to separate the genuine educators from the grifters. Your financial future is far too important to outsource to a charismatic stranger on the internet who is more interested in their lifestyle than your life savings. True, sustainable wealth is built slowly and deliberately. It's built on discipline and proven principles, not hype and shortcuts. Do your own research, verify every claim, and trust your gut. Don't let their dream of a luxury lifestyle become your financial nightmare. Protect yourself and protect your hard-earned money.